it's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If so, you can subscribe. The button is always down below. I post videos, stuff panning, and more. And today we're going to be doing an update, and actually I'm making this the finale for my rolling project pan. I kind of decided that it was pointless at this point to just do a normal update. I decided that it might be a good idea to just go ahead and film a finale. I have no idea when I'm gonna have this go up. I might just schedule it for a few weeks out. I still have quite a few videos of updates to film and just other videos that I'd rather get up before this one. But yeah, this is gonna be our finale, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, I think it'll be good because then I can, like, you know, refresh before starting panning back up, because there'll only be one roll-in project for 2024 and stuff. But yeah, it's time. I feel good about this though, compared to other things, but that's just how it's gonna be. So I think the last update I did was my third update, and that wasn't until September? It was a couple months ago. First thing I had been working on is this NARS Laguna bronzer. I really didn't make much progress on this. It was something I was trying to use, but I really didn't make great progress with using it. But I would love to, you know, get more progress on this next year and get this out of my collection, being that it's something that's not cruelty free and stuff. But yeah, we'll work with this next year, see what happens, see what we can do, and hopefully better progress will happen next year, basically. So next, I have been pretty much working on this for the past few years. I put it in a project every single year the past few years. This is the Tarte lipstick in Salt Life. I actually do have a full size of this and stuff. That's what we're looking like. There's about this much left of product. So I don't know, like, I think the past few months I only used this a couple times. I'm just panning lots of things right now, so this kind of went to the back burner. But I'd love to finish this off next year, just because it is getting older and I don't want to keep it in, you know, too long in my collection. But we'll see if we can pan this next year for sure. For sure. And then the rest of the items, actually I did make good progress on, so let's get into those. The first thing I believe I just added in, but there wasn't really much left in this, is the Tarte. This is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. As you can see, I completely used the rest of this up, which is great. So yeah, that happened, and I'm happy to have gotten that out of my collection. I'll definitely be panning lots more products like that next year. And then I also used up, I have this in an e.l.f. compact, but this is the powder foundation. No, this was an Ophir highlight that I had in here. Completely used her up. I believe I had really good progress last month, so it was actually not too bad to use this up. So happy to have that out. I don't know if I'm going to save that compact. I might just get rid of it. But it's always great to have things like that so you can repress things. And then I also used up my Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Use this all up, and I believe I also took out, like, the little, I don't know what you call it, the sifter part, so it was easier to get the last bits out of, which I'm pretty happy about. I almost forgot to put this in the video, so I'm recording this clip, but I'm decluttering this, and honestly it went bad. This is the Trader Joe's Pumpkin Body Butter. My goal was to use this up, but this, like, I don't know, like, I think I let it dry out. Like, I left it a little bit open and it dried out, and this is just not good. Like, I tried putting oil in this to, like, even revive, and it's just not, like, the same. So I'm decluttering that, and I'm not even gonna put that in my empties video, so that's your video for it here in this video. And yeah, those are the last three things I used up. I'm pretty happy with how this project went. Obviously I wish I updated more and that kind of stuff, but I think it's good just to have a normal rolling project to work through items. But yeah, this is where this project's gonna be ending. I don't really have much groundbreaking things to say, but that's okay. But yeah, lots of finales will be rolling out if they haven't already. I like filmed videos and it was like, oh, this is gonna be the last video before the finale. And I'm literally like, Katie, the finales are coming up very quick, so I need to like roll those videos out so quick. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're panning, how your finales are looking, or anything like that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!